trainer Julia, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe if you like what you see, and don't forget to hit the bell to be alerted to new workouts. Today we're going to do a no repeat hit. We're going to be using 2 dumbbells and a mat. It's going to be great for beginners and also no impact. So without further ado, let's do a great workout together. Let's go. Okay, grab one weight in each hand and get ready at the center of the mat. We're going to start with some round the worlds, and we're going to be doing some knee lifts as well. So we're going around the world, lift the knee. Other side. So we're working our shoulder and our back muscles, and also working the legs, balancing on the leg. It's very brisk out today. Did I mention it's very brisk out? All right, keep it going. We can do it. Lift those arms. Come down under the knee. Couple more. We're almost there. It's bracing. That's what it is. It's bracing out. Keep it going. Okay, get down on the ground and get ready for some push-ups. We're holding those weights. So we're doing a push-up. Then we're going to come up. We're going to do a couple of curls. Hold that plank for a position for a second. Down into a push-up again. Couple of dumbbell curls. Down into a push-up. Get back up. So your alternative, on the knees, do a push-up. You can stay on the knees to do those curls, or regular plank position, push-up, do a curl. Hold that plank position for a moment. This is very challenging. Okay, get ready to do some squats with those weights. Grab those weights. Holding the weights. So we're going down into a squat and up into a row. Down into a squat, pull up into a row. And keep it going. So we're working the shoulder muscles and the muscles in the lower body, but no impact at all with any of these moves. So this is great if for any reason maybe you're recovering from an injury and you can't do impact, but you still want to do a hit, you still want to get that heart rate going and work the muscles of the body. Keep it going. Sitting back as if in a chair, then lifting those weights up. Okay, we're going to do a little leapfrog up and down. You can drop one of those weights. Get ready. So we're going down to the ground and leapfrogging it up onto the toes. Down onto the ground, up to the toes. So again, no impact. Working a lot of muscles in the body though at the same time. Getting the heart rate going. But again, no impact at all. Go nice and deep, touch the ground. You can do it, back up. End up back on the toes. It's a leapfrog without leaping. Okay, we're doing great. Couple more. Good job. Down on the ground with those dumbbells. Holding one. We're going to do an ab move. So we're going to do a Russian twist. And we're going to lift those legs off the ground. More challenging. So we're working the abs. Also working the arms and the shoulders. And we're making our stabilizers work harder because we're lifting those legs. It makes it a lot more challenging. If you need an alternative, you can put those legs back on the ground again. Otherwise, keep on going. You're doing great. Did I mention it's kind of cold out? Okay, a couple more. We can do it. Oh God. Grab both those weights. We're going to do some shoulder presses. Those dumbbells are on the shoulders. Press out while you push up with the weights and in. Nice step out at the same time you're lifting the weights. If you need to rest, you can do a couple just keeping the weights at the shoulders while you do that. Step in, step out. You can do it. You can also do one arm at a time. Other alternative, it's a little bit more difficult to do both. But come on, do what you can. You can do it. This one's challenging. I'm going to one arm it. Okay, we're going to do some mountain climbers. Get down on the ground, holding those weights again. You're doing great. So we're going to do some mountain climbers. This one's fairly straightforward. Just moving the knees in and out. Again, no impact. But we're working those legs, and we're also getting a cardio workout as well. I'm feeling that in the shoulders. I'm feeling it in the core and in the legs. So we're actually working multiple muscles with this move. If you need to rest, you can rest there, or you can put your knees on the ground for a moment. Let's try to do a few more. Come on. Almost there. Okay, grab those weights. We're working the whole body today. Get ready to squat again. Hip distance apart. It's brisk. Squat down, punch it out. Squat down, punch it forward. That's all we're going to do for 45 seconds. You can do it. Working the shoulders, the legs, the butt, the calves. If you need to rest, just hold those weights. You can just do the squat. If you really want to work it, punch it out. Punch it out. You can do it. We're almost there. A couple more. I'm really feeling that. Whew. I'm not going to make it. I made it. Single leg Romanian deadlifts. Hold your weights. Come on, we got this. Lower it down. Lift it up. Other leg. Try to lift that leg as high as you can. Switch legs each time. It's going to be more difficult with one leg than the other. Try to lift that leg. Pull those weights up. If this is too challenging, you can drop the weights. You don't have to use the weights. Working that single leg, working the balance muscles. Come on, a couple more. There we go. Doing great. Oh, almost fell over. Okay, get down on the ground. So we're going to do half a burpee, grab our weights, and curl them, drop them down. Half a burpee, grab the weights, curl them, drop them down, and keep it going. Working the legs and the arms again. If you need an alternative, you can just do the half a burpee. And when you're ready to go again, add the bicep curl. Come on, we got a couple more. It's a challenging workout. I didn't say it was going to be easy. I said it was going to be fun. Okay, drop those weights for a second. Thank you, God. Down on your backs. We're going to do a bridge. Bridge up. Lift one leg up and down. Let's do 5 or 6 on this leg. Keeping that nice bridge position. Pushing up with your bum. 2 more on this side. All right, switch it up. Keep that nice glute bridge. Push it up. Make it more challenging. Look at the beautiful blue sky. Enjoy having a break from those dumbbells. Let's do 3 more on this side until we run out of time. You can do it. 1 more. Okay, we're in a plank position. And this time we're just tapping the shoulders. Again, take a little break from those weights, but still working the shoulders. Your rest position, hold that plank. Again, no impact. Still working cardio, still working muscles. Keep it going, you can do it. Nice little tap. I can feel that in my core and my shoulders. Come on. Couple more. Grab those dumbbells. Pulse with those dumbbells. So we're just pulsing. We're in a lunge position. We're just raising and lowering the body. Couple more on this side. Stand up, switch sides. Got to work both sides. Get down into that lunge position. Pulse it. We're almost there. If you need a rest, you can go straight up and down. Up is your rest position. Down on the ground again. You're not getting rid of those weights yet. We're going to do some chest presses. Okay, so we're pushing up the weights into a chest press, and at the same time, working the legs, lowering the legs, raising them back up, so that we're also working the core. Excuse my lack of coordination. You can get what we're doing here. Push up the weights as you push out one leg at a time. Feeling that in your chest, your triceps, your core. Come on, you can do it. Drop those weights. This is our last move. We're going to do some nice star steps. So we're just star stepping it out and back. Free of the weights at last. This is your last move. Just a little cardio, no impact to end off this great workout together. The sun is shining. It's not that cold. If you're still with me, you're doing great. It was a very challenging workout, but a lot of fun. And I'm feeling that because we've worked our muscles. Come on, a few more. Woo! Awesome. Okay. Whew. That was challenging. That was a 15-minute hit with dumbbells. No impact, but it packed a punch, didn't it? I thought that was a great workout. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to the Trainer Julia channel and you'll get a lot more workouts like this one. Short, 15 to 20 minutes, little to no equipment, and they can be done anywhere. This is Trainer Julia saying thanks very much for watching and have a fit day.